Ocean here, trying to catch some crab traps on Pacific Ocean time. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Not sponsored by President's Choice lemon water.
No, but if we could make some au petit latte.
Just repeat after me. Je m'appelle Claude.
Je découpe plow.
I don't know how to say that. We could have a blue menu. It's like blue menu. Beautiful. Look at this. Chicken bones. Delightful raw chicken bones.
It's Crab's favorite treat.
Crab's favorite treat. Okay. Should put this. No, we're not gonna go here.
Why aren't we going here?
Too shallow.
What's
I don't know if you can see it.
Oh, what's that we see at the bottom of the ocean?
No, not crabs. Actually, we might be able to see crabs down there. All right, we're gonna go out a little deeper here.
How deep are we at?
This is lying. This is not real. This is 1994, but the transducer's broken. Which transducer is the part that radars? So I don't believe this at all. It showed me about 28, 30 feet in the parking garage. Oh, I'm just soaked. This what should we call it? The whitey rubbery bouncy thing. What do they call those? The bumper.
Water bumper.
Yeah, the bumper. It just keeps bumping water all over me. Oh, so I'm bumped, all bumped out. Here, let's whoa! Yeah, it won't tip, but it won't feel good. I mean, maybe it could tip.
Well, let's not go down that path.
I don't want to tip. Chicken. Put your chicken in your net and get a crab. Chicken in a net and get a crab. Oh, this is actually like, man.
Let's go look at that chicken.
That's nice. It's frozen, but like, they say chicken bones, but look at all the meat on that.
That's a meal.
It's a meal. Is that? You can do one more, maybe one little one in there. Split it up. Yeah.
Some crab's gonna be eating good tonight.
Let's just get those hands salted. There we go. All right, then these traps come equipped with a little hook on the net. And you can put it in. Tie that tight. Oh yeah.
Whoops.
Oh yeah. That's okay. Don't worry about it.
Sorry, drink.
What'd you do, Jared?
Rest in peace, drink holder.
I don't know if it's broken.
No, I think it just pops back in.
Oh man. One more lock. Perfect. There we go. And this rope might get a little bit messed up. Let's see if it comes out nice after the winter.
Wasn't a very dramatic toss.
Oh no. I'm only dramatic. Whoa! Wow. Okay.
That's how you know it's yours.
Woo! Pink noodle in the water. Whoa.
Oh, we're not going very
Here
far,
too.
are we?
This is the annoying. Everything about this particular trap is annoying. Do you want to know why?
Why? Yeah, this is great content.
Why is this strap annoying? This strap's annoying because it has 200 feet of rope tied together at the moment, and the buoys are kind of crazy. Yeah, sinking rope, and then I don't know if it's gonna come out okay. We might spend half of this video just dealing with this rope. I don't know. It's working so far. Let's just try it.
Over under it?
I did over under it, but over under doesn't work super good. Oh, my flashlight. Does it still work?
What's that for?
That's for the last video.
Like and
Underwater
subscribe.
crabs. Like and subscribe. And then got my shackle. Stainless shackle.
Gotta have a stainless.
Gotta have a stainless shackle. Lock it up. Put the crabs in their little jail.
Throwing a little, maybe a tin cup and a harmonica for him or something.
This boat needs a harmonica so bad. Speaking of harmonica, my good pals Sean Hall and Matt Rogers just got nominated for Juno for their live album, Harpoonist and the Axe Murderer. Harpoonist as the harmonica, the harp. So that's pretty awesome. Those guys rock. Go check them out. Oh God, I thought I was gonna. I thought I lost it. Okay, is that good? Yeah. Crap. Well, fortunately it hit the bottom.
Nah, just throw it all in.
No, I mean it's on the bottom right now, so it's not gonna hurt us for me to sort it out. What, you want to deal with this when it's wet? Wet? Okay, we just put the traps in. One trap there, one trap. Oh, should have put a marker. I always forget to put markers. We'll find it. It's got a pink pool noodle. We've noticed with the underwater videos that the crabs go in within like 30 seconds sometimes, so they're probably already feasting. So we could pull them up in 15, but I think we'll give them an hour or so. So what time is it now? It's 2 o'clock now, so we'll be back at 3. And we'll probably spend the majority of that time boating around trying to find the other trap. Back. It's been an hour. It's 3:15 and we are at the traps. We're gonna go pull them right now. As long as the motor doesn't die again and we can actually go get them. What's this? I don't know what the heck this thing's called. It's a hook. It's a big hook on a stick. I think that's what they're called. All right, now we can go and get our traps. Oh, beautiful. Look at that noodle go. just circling. We'll get it. We'll be there soon.
So close, but so far.
We'll be there soon. This is where we speed up the video.
It's just a game at that carnival. Little ducky bowl.
All right. Trap 1 coming up. So this is the one with the awful rope situation.
Maybe the ocean fixed it.
The ocean maybe partially fixed it. I'm gonna go with no. Oh, dude.
Some buttes.
Good crabs today. We may very well have a couple of keepers. Here, let me. Not a bad haul.
Pal? Oh, he looks sad. He's been stolen from his crab
All right,
family.
so we've got no caliper today because we switched boats. So we zip tied 165 millimeters. So 165 millimeters is the minimum size for BC Dungeness crab. Whoa. So we're gonna see.
Is that a regulation measurement?
This is a regulation measurement, so we're gonna see if we got anyone. I think a couple of these might be good. This one appears to be too small. He's not even very feisty right now. So that is slightly too small. See that? That's okay. We can throw them back. Someone else can have them later. We got lots more to check here. This is another male. This is going to be too small. Definitely. Let's be it though. This one is at the keeper size, I think. So if you grab them behind here, they can't really get you. Ow. There we go. Oh. This one's missing a leg. So what do we think about this size? Size them up. That's a keeper, man.
First one.
Perfect.
Sans a leg.
Totally perfect. Sans a leg, but that's a keeper crab. And I think this one's going to be a keeper crab too. It's another boy. You can only take the males, of course. Oh, definitely a keeper.
It's a big one.
Look at that. The size of that guy. Wow. Whoop.
Kisses.
What do we got here?
That's little.
Too small. What do we got here? Jared, you want him?
Oh yeah.
Just grab the back. He's pretty chill.
What's up, friend?
Here, hang on. Let me get a picture of you with this.
Oh, now he's not happy. Look at that.
He doesn't like being
He's
on
swinging.
camera.
He's swinging. All right, he's too small. Do we measure?
Yeah, he's too small.
Where to next?
Right there. Go look. Let's go see. This is just great. What a good day. All right. Crab
Alright,
tons.
number two.
More crabs. There's definitely. Wait, where's my measuring device? Okay, it's in my pocket. Whoa, this one's really heavy. This is like definitely a lot heavier than the last one.
Yeah, more crabs.
They're just everywhere. Whoa! Whoa, look at the size of that one! Holy cow! Oh my god, and a red rock? 2 red rock? Dude, this is a haul.
It's jackpot.
That's a what is it?
A crab pot.
Yeah. Whoa! Oh my goodness. Come on. Ow. Ow, dude. Jeez. Ouch. He's hissing. Do you hear him hissing?
I don't know. Hold on.
I mean, he's obviously the right size because they can't even get the thing around him. All right, well, that's a keeper. It's good. Good guy here. It's a keeper too. Wow. None of these are red rockers. Look at how cute and small this one is.
Nah, it's terrifying. Holding on.
Bye. Whoa, that one's feisty. Oh, hey, let go, let go, let go. Come on, I'm helping you. Ow, 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 ow. Jeez. And look at this one. This is huge. It's the right size too. Okay. Beautiful. Good haul today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow.
So what's for dinner tonight?
Steak. All right. Came home with 6 big, beautiful crabs today. You've been watching Pacific Ocean Time, obviously, because it's right there. And if you want to see more of this, you know what to do. It's going to be good dinner.